In this video, I'm going to share with you brand new sample footage from the Insta360 1R360 mod and the 1R 1-inch edition following the massive Insta360 September update. You can now record in a higher bitrate up to 100 megabits per second, and there's a brand new vivid color profile on the 1-inch edition and the 4K mod. To activate the vivid color profile on the 1-inch edition, first of all, go to Video Mode, Standard, then swipe left from the right of the screen, go to the first icon, tap Standard, and then swipe down to Vivid, and then go back, and you now have the vivid color profile activated. Up until now, one of the biggest criticisms I had of Insta360 cameras was their color science. It was just nowhere near as good as GoPro or other similar cameras in this category. But since the update, I really love the colors coming out of these cameras. It's super punchy, it's natural and vivid, and it's really easy to color grade in post. And I'll show you how I color grade my footage later on in this video. Now let's take a look at some sample footage shot with the 360 mod in 5.7K 30 frames per second, log mode off.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I hope you enjoyed watching the sample footage from the 360 mod. Now for color grading, there's not really much to do because the footage coming straight out of the camera already looks really good. So in Premiere Pro, in the Lumetri color, I'd go to the Creative tab, then add the 360 mod LUT, which you can download from Insta360's download page, and then change the intensity to 50%. And this just gives the colors a little bit more of a punch, which looks really good on social media. And that's it. That's how I basically color grade my videos. In the sample footage you're about to see, I was also using the Freewell ND and polarizing filter. So this is the ND16, which I used throughout the day because it was a very bright day. And this will help me control the highlights, the reflections, and the amount of motion blur in my footage to give me a more cinematic look and feel. This is a really good camera. The video quality is simply amazing, but it's just flawed by one thing, and it's the 100cm minimum focus distance. So if I was to film myself, my face is going to be blurry because there needs to be 100cm distance between the camera and my face. So even if I extend my arm's not 100cm, so my face will still not be in focus. So you can't really film yourself with this camera. It's always got to be pointing in the other direction. And it's a shame, because if the minimum focus distance was way less than that, this would simply be a little remarkable camera. So there you go. There's sample footage from the 360 mod and the 1-inch mod. So let me know what you guys think of the sample footage in the comments below. Personally, I think the video quality and color science of these cameras has improved so much since its release. So if you found this video useful, do leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.